Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata. Today we are going to make a simple sweet recipe, Rava Kesari. This is a sweet dish that can be made instantly when you suddenly feel like eating something sweet or when guests arrive unexpectedly.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
Let's roast the cashews and raisins needed for the kesari. For that, I have taken 4 tablespoons of ghee to the pan. Next, I am adding 4 tablespoons of odorless refined oil. Once the oil is hot, add 15 cashews and roast it to the light brown. Now add 15 raisins and roast them. Once this is brown, transfer to a plate. Now add 1 cup, that means 250 grams of rava to the pan. Use the same cup to measure all the ingredients. Now roast it nicely.
Keep the flame low and roast it slowly. You will notice the oil and ghee start to separate slightly. That's when you can remove it.
See, it's nicely roasted now. When you smell the aroma of rava and ghee roasted together, transfer this to a plate. In the same pan, add 4 cups of water for 1 cup of rava, adding 4 cups of water, which means 1 liter. Let it boil well. Just 1 pinch of kesari color needs to be added to this. Let the water boil nicely. Now add the roasted rava to this and mix well.
If you roast it well using oil and ghee, it won't form lumps at all. See, it won't stick at all. If you put the rava when the water is boiling nicely, it will be soft.
The rava is cooked well. Now add sugar. For this, I have taken 1.5 cups. That is 375 grams of sugar. Mix it well. Now add 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix it nicely. The rava has cooked well and the sugar has dissolved well and it is at the correct consistency. Now we can add the roasted cashews and raisins which were set aside. And add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix it well and take it from the stove. Now fantastic hot rava kesari is ready.
If we add the cashews and raisins last, they will be nice and crunchy when you chew them. If we had them in the beginning, they won't be crunchy. That's why we had them at the end. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thank you.